Windows 7 brightness slider missing? Quick fix. Click the Windows logo. Type Device Manager. Click Device Manager. Expand the Monitors category. Select the monitor. Click the Action tab. Click Properties. Click the Driver tab. Click Uninstall. Wait for the driver to uninstall. Click the Scan for Hardware Changes button. Verify that your monitor appears back on the list. Reboot your computer. Click the Power Options icon. Click Adjust Screen Brightness. Drag the Screen Brightness slider left or right.